The TuneBot Studio TBS-001 Drum Tuner gives drummers a precise digital way to tune acoustic kits, making it far easier to reach consistent, musical pitches across all drums. Its dedicated modes that focus on filtering and comparing readings help lock in accurate lug-to-lug tuning, so each drum speaks clearly without unwanted overtones dominating. Being able to store complete setups for multiple drum kits means you can experiment with different tunings, yet quickly return to proven configurations for rehearsals or studio work. The simple clip-on design fits standard drum rims securely and lets you move around the kit quickly, turning what used to be a tedious tuning session into a fast, repeatable process. Companion tuning tools available for mobile devices guide you towards specific pitch targets, which is especially helpful if you are chasing classic recorded drum sounds or particular musical intervals. A tough outer shell and compact footprint make this tuner easy to carry in a stick bag or hardware case, so it holds up well to regular gigging and travel.